In the grand theatre of nature, one act stands out for its sheer, awe-inspiring scale: animal migrations. From the smallest butterfly to the largest whale, these journeys encapsulate the indomitable spirit of survival. Picture the monarch butterfly, fluttering thousands of miles from Canada to Mexico, driven by an instinct passed through generations. Or the massive spectacle of 1.5 million wildebeest thundering across the African savanna in search of greener pastures. Then there's the Arctic tern, a bird that sees 2 summers each year by flying from pole to pole. And let's not forget the humpback whales, trekking thousands of miles through oceans to breed and rear their young. Such epic voyages are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. So the next time you see a flock of birds in the sky, remember, you might just be witnessing a chapter of one of nature's greatest stories: migration.